Simplify 4 minus x squared divided by 2x minus x squared, where x is not equal to 0 and x is not equal to 2. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. The expression is 4 minus x squared divided by 2x minus x squared. 4 can be written in index form as 2 squared, and so the numerator will be 2 squared minus x squared. On the denominator, x is a common factor, so we can factor it out. And when we do that, we are going to have x into bracket 2 minus x. The numerator is 2 squared minus x squared. This is a difference of 2 squares. From algebra, we know that if we have x squared minus y squared, it can be factorized as x minus y in one bracket, then x plus y in another bracket. So if we apply that here, then 2 squared minus x squared can be factorized as 2 minus x in one bracket, 2 plus x in another bracket. That is the numerator. The denominator is x into bracket 2 minus x. 2 minus x is a factor here, 2 minus x is a factor here, so they can cancel each other out. And so we will be left with 2 plus x divided by x. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is B.